విద్యా ప్రవేశ్ బాలవాటిక గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఎన్పిఈ 2020 అమల్లోకి వచ్చిన తర్వాత ప్రాథమిక విద్య, పూర్వ ప్రాథమిక విద్యకు అత్యంత ప్రాముఖ్యం ఇవ్వబడింది. పూర్వ ప్రాథమిక విద్యనే మనం అంగన్వాడీ అంటున్నాం. అంగన్వాడీలు లేని చోట పూర్వ ప్రాథమిక విద్యను అందించాల్సి ఉంది. పాఠశాల వాతావరణానికి సర్దుబాటు అయ్యే క్రమాన్ని మనం అలవాటు చేయాలి. లెర్నింగ్ క్రైసిస్ అనేది కనిపించకుండా ప్రతి పిల్లవాడు పాఠశాలలో చేరే విధంగా 5 సంవత్సరాల నిండినటువంటి విద్యార్థులకు పాఠశాల అనుకూలంగా మారడం కోసం, ఆల్రౌండ్ డెవలప్మెంటు కలిగించడం కోసం వారికి పునాది వేయడం గురించి విద్యా ప్రవేశ లక్ష్యం ఇంటి వాతావరణం పాఠశాల వాతావరణంగా మారడానికి ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని చేపడుతున్నాం. PP1, PP2తో పాటు బాలవాటిక కూడా ప్రవేశపెట్టడం జరిగింది. బాలవాటిక 1వ తరగతిలో చేరే పిల్లలకు రూపొందించినది. చదివి అర్థం చేసుకోవడం, తిరిగి ప్రతిస్పందించడం, స్వతంత్రంగా అర్థం చేసుకొని సొంతంగా రాయడం, వ్యక్తపరచడం, నిత్య జీవితంలో అంకెలు, కొలతలు మొదలటి వాటి గురించి ఉపయోగించే సామర్థ్యం సాధించడం. బాలవాటిక కార్యక్రమం గ్రేడ్ 1 విద్యార్థులకు 3 నెలలు సాగుతుంది. వారానికి 5 రోజులు 4 గంటల చొప్పున సాగుతుంది.
Vidya Pravesh Balavatika. Vidya Pravesh is an integral part of Nipun Bharat, a national mission on foundational literacy and numeracy, FLN mission of the Government of India. NIPUN National Initiative for Proficiency in Reading with Understanding and Numeracy. The Developmental Goals. Developmental Goal HW. Children maintain good health and well-being. To provide experiences for physical and motor development, socio-emotional development, nutrition, safety, hygiene and sanitization. Developmental Goal 2 EC. Children become effective communicators to build the foundations for language and literacy. Developmental Goal 3 IL. Children become involved learners and connect with their immediate environment. To build foundations of numeracy and provide direct experience and interaction with the physical, social and natural environment, these developmental goals are interrelated and are aimed to provide opportunities for the development of competencies for ensuring holistic development of children, that is cognitive, language, physical, socio-emotional and creativity. The teacher should develop and plan learning opportunities around all 3 developmental goals. Planning and transaction. This section provides guidelines for 3 months or 12 weeks school preparation module to be developed by teachers according to their need and local context for children who enter grade 1. The teachers are expected to go through the following aspects for planning and transaction of the activities. Keeping in mind the developmental goals, competencies and learning outcomes. Plan for 3 months or 12 weeks program beforehand. Experiences from all the 3 developmental goals have to be provided to children every day. Develop weekly and daily schedule for transacting the program. An exemplar day-wise schedule has been given for already reference. While developing and planning, there has to be a balance between teacher-initiated and child-initiated activities, indoor and outdoor activities, and large and small group activities. Go through the day-wise sample week schedule for designing the activities worksheet and plan a day's program. The learning opportunities should be flexible and provided through activities, worksheets, learning material, or toys, stories, etc. Plan beforehand the teaching materials required for transacting the curriculum. The material may be developed by the teachers using local resources, low cost or no cost materials. Some ready-made teaching learning materials can also be procured. Plan to include natural resources as learning aids such as leaves, twigs, pebbles, etc. Use indigenous toys and materials. Make sure children can manipulate the material easily and have safety accessibility to the material and other resources. Plan the seating arrangement for the selected activities. Seating arrangement should be done keeping in view the needs of children with special needs. Purposefully repeat the activities and worksheets to provide children enough time for engagement in learning. The allotted time slots for daily or routine activities in the exemplar weekly schedule may be interchanged or kept flexible depending on the interest of the children. Ways of conducting each daily or routine activity such as greet and meet, circle meet and free expression, free play, outdoor play, goodbye, circle time, meal time, language and literacy, and numeracy activities are explained in detail in the guidelines for smooth implementation of the program. It is important to track each child's progress and modify the experiences for children facing difficulty in achieving the learning outcomes. Use the mother tongue or the language familiar to most children in the class as the medium of instruction and welcome as many languages as children bring into the classroom and appreciate them while slowly reducing the language of instruction. Create learning or interest areas for free play and equip these areas with a variety of play materials that are easily accessible to the children. Also create a print-rich and numeracy-rich classroom. Some suggestive activity interest areas are given in figure number 6. The materials required for activity or interest rates are given for ready reference. In the daily schedule, transition activity should also be planned. A transition is something that helps move children from one activity to another. Example, it would be from numeracy time to story time or cleanup time to snack time. Transitions can be rhythmic chants, rhymes, songs, or short stories. Some example transition activities are given as below.
Creative visualization asks children to imagine a nice relaxing scene with their eyes closed. Narrate the scene in such a calm way that they can focus completely on visualization. This can be done before creative arts related to activity. Deep breathing after a rigorous activity like outdoor play and before initiating the next activity. Ask children to sit with their eyes closed and focus on breathing. Let them breathe slowly and relax. Jump or hop. After a quiet activity for a transition to another activity, ask children to jump or hop on the spot to the count of 10. Rhymes. Do different kinds of rhymes, example finger rhymes before fine motor activities and rally gadi. Get children form a circle to make a train and they move around singing the song Chuk Chuk Rail. Take children outside the classroom with this formation of vice versa. The objectives of the 3-month preparation module are to promote school preparedness in all children coming to grade 1 from diverse backgrounds, to ensure a smooth transition of children to grade 1, to promote play-based age and developmentally appropriate learning experiences in a joyful and stimulating environment leading to the holistic development, to prepare children with the cognitive and linguistic competencies which are prerequisite for the learning to read and write, develop number sense through a play-based approach. Assessment measures. Observation of a children in a specific situation to understand their personality, dimensions and learning process. Anecdotal records. Brief written notes based on the observation of children in terms of language used, social relationships, mode of interaction, etc. Portfolios. Collection of concrete work sample of each child such as painting, art, craft, work, collage making, etc. Checklist. List of learning outcomes, behaviors and traits of children in different developmental areas. Rating scale. Assessment of the performance of tasks and skills levels. Photographs and video clips. Visual and audio recording of children's performance to help further understand about their personality, dimensions and learning process. Involve parents and community in the learning of children. Parents are the first teachers of children before they enter formal school. The help and support of parents and community is of great importance in children's education and learning. Therefore, teachers must make conscious efforts to chalk out the ways to build a strong case to involve parents and community and ensure their participation. Following strategies can be followed in this regard. Converse with the parents as and when required and inform them about the learning level of the children, their achievements and the areas that needing improvement. Encourage parents to be in touch with the school and engage in effective conversation with the teachers. Use community and parents as a resource of a support to improve children's learning and development by creating enriching home learning environment. Be in constant touch with the community also to discuss any support required, such as drinking water, adequate space for the primary school, and other resources. A few local people or leaders in the various capacities may be appointed as school management committee SMC. FLN ట్రైనింగ్ మండల స్థాయిలో అందరూ టీచర్లకు జరుగుతుంది. ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ లెవెల్ 2లో శిక్షణ పొందిన కాంప్లెక్స్ లెవెల్ ఉపాధ్యాయులు ఆర్పీలుగా వ్యవహరిస్తారు. ఇది 5/1/2022 మరియు 6/1/2022 తేదీల్లో 50% టీచర్ల చొప్పున జరుగుతుంది. ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ బ్లెండెడ్ మోడల్లోనే కొత్త పద్ధతిలో అనగా ఆన్లైన్ మరియు ఆఫ్లైన్లో జరుగుతుంది. కొంత సమయం ఆన్లైన్ ద్వారా స్టేట్ నుండి టెలికాస్ట్ చేస్తారు, కొంత సమయం ఆర్పీలు చెబుతారు.